Hi friends, welcome to Contentful. I'm Salma and this is Stefan from the Contentful Developer Relations team. Contentful is your new favorite content platform that offers you a GraphQL and REST API and many other tools to help you build your new project faster than ever.
Remember the days when you managed your content with JSON and YAML files? And if someone added an extra whitespace into that YAML file, your whole day was ruined?
Here's a better way. Contentful separates your content from code, and it's language and framework agnostic. It's a set of APIs to build whatever you want, and it's a customizable web app to manage all of your content.
Build a blog site, build a portfolio site, build a recipe site, build a curated list of all your favorite development resources.
Use the GraphQL and REST APIs to deliver your content anywhere.
Want to display your latest blog post on a fridge magnet? You got it.
Deliver your Contentful content anywhere that can fetch data using HTTP.
Contentful provides open source SDKs and client libraries in your favorite programming languages. JavaScript, Java, C#, Swift, Ruby, and PHP, to name but a few.
We've got plenty of tutorials to help you get started in our developer portal, covering topics such as Next.js, Gatsby, pure JavaScript, and other programming languages and frameworks. And the best thing about Contentful is that for your own personal projects, the free community plan gives you everything you'll ever need to make your project a success.
Let me tell you a story. I use Contentful every day for my own projects. For example, my blog is powered by Contentful, and I'm not even close to hitting the limits of the free plan. Contentful's community plan offers you 48 different content types. You can create up to 25,000 records with 2 locales and 3 environments.
And you can make up to 2 million API calls per month for free.
If only I could have that traffic, Salma.
One day, Stefan, one day.
And that's it from us. If you've got any questions, come and join us in the Contentful community Slack at contentful.com/Slack. We're a friendly bunch and we're always happy to answer questions.
Have a great day and happy building.